up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel.
What it do, Jada Boo?
It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down.
As y'all can tell by the title, I already got the tea on this hair. It's by Beauty Forever, and I've been getting a lot of compliments on this hair, and I've of course got to tell y'all where I got it from and all that good stuff, because there's a lot of details that I want y'all to know before y'all go and purchase this hair. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts and upload. Y'all know anytime I do some hair review videos, I give y'all the real good tea. So I'm gonna give y'all the good tea on this hair that I got from Beauty Forever, and I'm gonna show y'all how I flat iron it. I'm supposed to be installing it again tomorrow, so y'all get to see that. This is like probably like a week old, maybe a week or two. So yeah, this is their highlighted wig, and because y'all normally know I get a frontal, and child, anywho, I didn't get a frontal this time because I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Let me be honest, because I was supposed to get a frontal, but me being myself, I didn't read, so I accidentally got a closure, but it really turned out perfect because people thought this was a frontal, but I finessed it, and I'll give y'all the details on how to finesse it, because girl, when I tell you this looked like a synthetic wig, I had to do something about it. And this look is inspired by Aaliyah J, this wig, and of course it's on the Amazon. Y'all know I gotta give y'all the Amazon reviews, duh. This hair is called Piano Color Ombre Highlight T-part. So when they say T-part, let me take the ponytail down and show y'all what the T-part means. So when they say T-part, it's literally tracks right there, if y'all can see. So the only lace that I have is up front and down the middle down the middle. So I'll show y'all like a picture right here if I can get a picture. When they first sent me this wig, it came not pre-plucked, nothing like that. I had to pluck myself. It came with like a pre-did lace on it. Yeah, it's like a 3-layer closure type of deal. So it had like a white layer under here, but girl, I cut that off because I don't know what they planned on doing with that, but I cut it off and I just wore it as a closure because I didn't want that underneath my wig to make it look kind of wiggy. And then I plucked it down the middle, and then I did my baby hairs. But like I said, this is like a week old, so don't judge. But I am gonna be flat ironing, showing y'all how this hair flat irons and stuff, because it's so gorgeous. Like, it's so gorgeous. The cap size is average, so it's like 22 to 22.5. I mean, my average head size is a 23, so this one fit me. Luckily, I mean, it is a closure, but probably if it was a frontal, my edges would be out. And of course, shipping was like 3 days, of course, because it's Amazon. I got this length 25. I got the length 24, and it's so silky. Like, this hair is really soft. This is how far it goes down on me, like mid stomach. So yeah, that's how far it goes down, and I'm gonna flat iron it. This hair flat iron so well, y'all. When I tell y'all, it's like one pass. Maybe it's the flat irons, but then again, the hair is so soft. Like, look. And the closure gets super flat, but can y'all tell how flat? And also a little bit on the hair, it does not tangle at all. Like, literally, you would think this hair would tangle because it's like, you know, really colored and highlighted through all the way through. Literally does not tangle. And shedding, I get some shedding, like literally, look at my brush, literally just a strand or two. I mean, hair is gonna shed regardless, but this hair really doesn't shed like my other wigs. Like, maybe after a minute, I'm ready to put her back on. Get into it, this girl. And like, I took some bomb pictures with this hair, and like, everybody went crazy. They was like, girl, this is your color. Some cute hair, like, especially when it's like becoming fall. Like, I wanted to do the red again, but I was like, I haven't tried a really fall color, and this is like. And the packaging, it came with a wig cap, and then it came with a band for me to lay my wig down with, and it also came with an elastic band in case I wanted to adjust the wig. And I would say get into the lace, but we're gonna get into the lace when I record me redoing it. But when I first put this in, cue the video. Because when I put this in, my wig was like, what lace, girl? But yeah, I just had to come to y'all and show y'all this new wig. And the back, I don't know if the back is flat iron, y'all, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. Back of the hair. hair. I probably will curl this hair, so if y'all want to see this hair curled, you can just check out that on my Instagram. So I might post some pictures of me and curling this hair. And do not forget to watch the end of the video, because I will be showing y'all how I install this wig. So I'll insert a clip of me installing the wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
I simply lose control. So